Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Fidelis Joseph, and in this introductory video I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the full stack web development course here at Skillworks. Now, every website or app that you visit, from scrolling through Instagram to checking out an online store like Jumia or Amazon, they run on two core components working in harmony. Now, these are the front end and the back end. The front end shapes everything you see: the layouts, the colors, the buttons, the animations, and the overall user experience. The back end, this handles the heavy lifting right behind the scenes, processing requests, managing data, securing information, and keeping everything running smoothly. Now, full stack development gives you the power to build both sides, right? The part that the user falls in love with and the part that keeps the system alive. Now, today, websites and applications are much more than digital spaces. They're a face of modern businesses. A fast loading page can win a customer. A secure system can protect a brand. A beautifully designed interface can, hold attention long enough to convert interest into attraction. This course is structured from beginner to advanced, right? So anyone can learn, whether you're completely new to tech or already familiar with coding. We'll start with the front end, the part that the users see, you and I. You learn how the browser works, you learn HTML for structure, you learn CSS for styling, you learn JavaScript for interactivity, you learn how to build responsive and mobile-friendly interfaces that we come across in our day-to-day lives on our mobile phones. You learn how modern frameworks like React make websites dynamic and totally engaging, right? You grow from building simple pages to full user interfaces that load very fast, they look great, and also feel very much professional. Next, we'll dive into the back end, the engine that provides everything behind the scenes, like we talked about. You learn how servers work, you learn how to build APIs, you learn how data is stored, how data is retrieved, and how data is also protected. You learn how to use back-end technologies like Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. You also learn how authentication and user accounts function in real applications, And simply by combining these front-end and back-end skills, you become a true full-stack developer, capable of building complete functional applications from start to finish. This course, if I must say, is hands-on. From day one, you build real projects, websites, dashboards, forms, databases, and fully functional applications. You also learn version control with Git and GitHub deployment, hosting, and how to put your work online for the entire world to see. By the end of the program, you build and deploy a complete real-world application, connecting front end and back end together, optimizing performance and documenting your process like a professional developer that you will become. Full stack development is one of the most in-demand careers today. Companies are constantly looking for people who understand the full workflow, from user experience to server logic, and because full stack developers are versatile, they're among the most valuable members of any team. After completing this program, you can pursue roles such as front-end developer, back-end developer, full stack web developer, web application developer, UI UX implementation assistant, and also junior software engineers as well. In just 6 months, you move from understanding the basics of websites to building full-fledged applications like a professional. So if you're curious about how modern websites are built and you want to create powerful real-world applications from the ground up, this course is the first step for you to take. So go ahead, register to get started. See you there.